We'll wait for a couple more seconds for people to join. Then we'll get on with the show. Hi, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity's Sunday Live. So today I'll be showing you beautiful Kanjivaram soft silk sarees and Kanjivaram silk sarees, all in the price range of 7,000 and it goes up to 10,000. People who'd like to buy these sarees that I'm showing in the video today, you can click on the link that will be present in the description. You can click on the link that will be posted in the comment section. Post the live session is over. You can click on that link. The link will be up with all the sarees that I am showing in today's video. You can also log on to www.shoeseternity.com. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab to look at all these sarees. So with that, we'll start the session. Before we start, I would like to tell you about the saree that I'm wearing. This is a very uniquely woven saree. So this has got both thread and jari woven. Jari twisted and woven together. Beautiful borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty peacock woven buttas in the borders. Double-headed eagle buttas in the borders. And round floral buttas all over the body. So this saree is priced at 7,480. So I'll be showing you two more colors in what I am wearing in the end of the session. So please stay tuned. So with that, we'll start the session.
Yeah, we'll start with the saree number 1. Price at 7,980. 7,980, saree number 1.
So this is going to be a beautiful parrot green with an orangish pink shade. So the whole body has jari woven striped lines running along the body. So that's going to be the whole body. Very pretty gold jari borders on either sides, and the lower half of the saree has very pretty floral buttas in both gold and silver, and a beautifully woven jari pallu and a plain orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 1, priced at 7,980.
Next we have a borderless saree. It's a dark blue. It's a nice MS blue with teal combination. The whole body has beautiful floral patterns along with manga woven buttas in both gold and silver. All over the body it has got beautiful jari woven patterns, and it comes with a teal colored strip border on either sides of the saree. A very pretty teal jari woven pallu and a plain teal color blouse. Beautiful color combination.
Yeah, this is saree number 2, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 3, priced at 7,980. Saree number 3, priced at 7,980.
This is a beautiful, big, checkered patterned saree with round mandala buttas all over. So it's got a combination of cream, pink and black in it. Beautiful thin strip of gold jari borders on either sides. The whole body has mandala jari woven buttas in between the checkered pattern all over. A beautifully woven jari woven pinkish orange colored pallu and a plain pinkish orange color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 3, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 4, priced at 7,980.
This is a multicolored Palam Padam checkered pattern with mandala buttas all over. Beautiful thin strip of gold jari borders on either side of the saree, as you can see. It's a very, very pretty design. Orangish pink color jari woven pallu, as you can see, and a beautiful plain orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 4, priced at 7,980. People who are looking to buy these sarees, there will be a link posted in the comment section for your reference. Please click on it after the session is over. The link will be active with all the sarees that you're seeing in the live today. Alternatively, you can also directly check our website showseternity.com. In it, you will find a link called Live Sarees, under which there is another link called Sunday Live. When clicked, will show you all the sarees that we are showing in the live today. So this is saree number 5, priced at 7680.
This is a bottle green with purple combination. The upper portion of the saree has a plain purple color border. The whole of the body has strips of gold jari with round tiny buttas in it in silver. And the bottom portion of the saree has a checkered pattern. And it has also got that round jari woven buttas. And in the end of the saree, you have this diamond jari woven patterns, which has got nice peacocks in it, in both gold and silver alternating. And that's going to be the pallu, the beautiful jari woven pallu, and a plain purple color blouse.
Alright, saree number 5, priced at 7680. Moving on to saree number 6, priced at 7680.
Next, we have a pink with a double shaded green in the same design. A beautiful Rani pink. The whole body has strips of gold jari lines running along with round jari woven buttas. Beautiful borders, checkered borders with peacocks in it. And a very pretty jari woven pallu with a plain green color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 6, priced at 7680.
It's a beautiful deep purple with green combination. It's got a bottle green border on either sides of the saree. Very pretty jari woven striped lines with buttas all over the body. The lower half of the saree has a checkered border with peacocks in it. And that's going to be the pallu. Beautifully jari woven bottle green color pallu and a plain bottle green color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 7, priced at 7680. Moving on to saree number 8, priced at 7980.
It's a very traditional saree. Beautiful kattam, jari kattam sarees all over the body. So this is a brick orange with a dark blue combination, ink blue. So the upper portion of the saree has a beautiful floral border. The whole of the body has checkered jari patterns in it, and the lower half of the saree has a retapet border. Very traditional saree, a jari woven pallu in dark blue and a checkered blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 8, priced at 7980. Moving on to saree number 9, priced at 7980. 7980, saree number 9.
This is a beautiful blue, a nice MS blue with purple combination. Very pretty floral border in the upper portion, jari checkered pattern all over the body, retapet border in the lower half of the saree. Beautiful jari pallu in purple and a purple color checkered blouse.
Alright, so this is saree number 9, priced at 7980. 7980, saree number 9. Moving on to saree number 10, priced at 7980. 7980, saree number 10.
This is a very different design. It's a purple with bottle green combination. The upper portion of the saree has a beautiful dull gold jari border along with a strip of green. And the whole body has diamond jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. The lower half of the saree has a dull gold jari border. And just below that you have a checkered border which has got beautiful ikat patterned motifs. So this has got a nice elephant and bird butta that you usually see in ikat sarees. Very pretty woven buttas all over. A beautiful jari pallu in green and a plain green color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 10, priced at 7980. 7980, saree number 10. Moving on to saree number 11, priced at 7950.
This is a beautiful orange with grey combination. It's a very classy color combination. The whole body has jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. Very pretty striped jari border on either sides of the saree. Very intricately woven pallu in grey and a plain grey color blouse.
Alright, so sari number 11, priced at 7,950. Moving on to sari number 12, priced at 7,950.
Beautiful tie-and-dye pattern in the whole body with a contrast border in the lower half. So this has got a plain gold jari border in the upper portion. Beautifully woven tie-and-dye patterns in grey in the whole of the body. The lower half of the sari has a nice Rani pink colored jari border along with jari in it. Beautifully woven manga buttas. A very pretty jari woven pallu in Rani pink. And a plain pink color blouse.
Okay, this is sari number 12, priced at 7,950. Up next is sari number 13, priced at 7,950.
We have another design in the same variety. This is a dark grey with beautiful tie-and-dye patterns all over the body. It's a bluish grey, I would say. Gold jari border in the upper portion, beautiful red color border in the lower half along with nice big paisley buttas. A very pretty jari woven pallu in red and a plain red color blouse.
Yes, sari number 13, priced at 7,950. Moving on to sari number 14, priced at 7,980.
We have another color in the checkered pattern, retapet border in the lower half, beautiful floral border in the upper portion of the sari, very pretty jari woven pallu in purple, and a checkered purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 14, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 15, priced at 7,680. 7,680.
This is a beautiful lime green with teal combination. The whole body has a checkered pattern along with box and round jari woven buttas, a teal color border on either side of the sari, beautiful jari woven teal pallu, and a striped jari woven teal blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 15, priced at 7,680.
We have another color variant in the same design. This is going to be a dark blue with teal combination.
Sari number 16, priced at 7,680.
Beautiful checkered patterns all over along with round jari woven and checkered box jari woven buttas all over. A very pretty teal jari woven pallu and a striped teal color blouse.
Right, sari number 16, priced at 7,680. Moving on to sari number 17, priced at 7,980. Sari number 17, priced at 7,980.
This is a beautiful blue with an orangish pink. Very pretty jari woven striped buttas all over the body. Jari woven floral buttas in the lower half of the sari along with gold jari borders. A very pretty jari woven pallu in orangish pink and a plain orangish pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 17, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
We have another color in the same variant.
Yeah, sari number 18, priced at 7,980.
This is a beautiful Rani pink with a navy blue combination. Plain border in the upper portion along with jari. The whole body has jari woven stripes in it. The lower half of the sari has beautiful floral buttas and a very intricately woven jari pallu in navy blue and a plain navy blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 18, priced at 7,980. Up next is sari number 19, priced at 7,980.
This is a checkered palam padmum concept in the pallu and blouse. A beautiful gold jari border in the borders. Very pretty round jari woven floral buttas all over the body. So that's going to be the whole body. A palam padmum checkered pallu with fully butta woven floral and round buttas and a checkered blouse.
Right. So saree number 19, priced at 7,980.
We have another color variant in the same design. This is going to be a grey.
Saree number 20, priced at 7,980.
Beautiful floral buttas all over. Very elegantly designed border. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful Jari woven pallu, which has got Palum Padamum checkered, and a Palum Padamum checkered blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 20, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 21, priced at 9,450.
This is a very pretty blue with navy blue combination. The borders of the saree have a nice temple pattern in it. And the whole body has beautiful peacock and yali buttas. As you can see, very beautiful peacock and yali buttas all over. Very intricately woven checkered pallu in navy blue and a plain navy blue colored blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 21, priced at 9,400. Moving on to saree number 22, priced at 7,680.
Beautiful purple with a teal combination. Round Jari woven buttas all over. Very pretty teal color border along with buttas in the borders as well, with gold Jari border on either side, as you can see. A very pretty Jari woven pallu, which has got round peacock buttas along with floral patterns in it, and a plain teal color blouse.
Alright, this is saree number 22, priced at 7,680.
Moving on to our Kanjivaram silks.
Yeah, starting with saree number 23, priced at 7,980.
This is a very pretty light green with a double shaded greyish blue colored combination. It's got a beautiful floral border on either sides. Very pretty floral patterns and the whole of the body with gold and silver buttas. A beautiful double shaded pallu, fully Jari woven, and a plain blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 23, priced at 7,980. 7,980. Moving on to saree number 24, priced at 9,980.
This is a beautiful checkered pattern, tiny checkered pattern with peacock buttas. It's a beautiful orangish pink shade with purple borders. The upper portion of the saree has a traditional woven border. The lower half of the saree has a bigger border. As you can see, it's a very traditional Kanjivaram. Beautifully woven Jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 24, priced at 9,980. Moving on to saree number 25, priced at 9,480.
It's an excellent green with purple combination. A very unique color combination. Beautiful Jari woven floral buttas all over. Very pretty woven floral buttas in the lower half. Beautifully woven pallu, Jari pallu, and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 25, priced at 9,480. 9,480, saree number 25.
One more color in the checkered pattern. So this is a very traditional bottle green with purple. Beautiful checkered patterns all over along with peacock Jari woven buttas.
Yeah, this is saree number 26, priced at 9,980.
That's going to be the whole body. A very traditional color, beautiful saree. That's going to be the pallu. It's got peacock, chakra and temple buttas in the pallu along with diamond Jari woven patterns and a plain purple color blouse.
Alright, saree number 26, priced at 9,980. Moving on to saree number 27, priced at 9,980.
This is a beautiful orange with pink combination. Very pretty silver and gold Jari woven buttas in the borders, and the whole of the body has self Jari woven gold butta floral patterns all over in the whole body. That's going to be the borders. Very pretty color combination. A fully Jari woven pink colored pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 27, priced at 9,980. Moving on to saree number 28, priced at 9,480.
This is a Rama green with purple combination. Again, a very different color combination. Beautiful floral borders on either sides along with floral buttas in the whole body. That's going to be the whole body. A very pretty pallu in purple, fully jari woven, and a plain purple color blouse.
Alright, this is saree number 28, priced at 9,480. Moving on to saree number 29, priced at 9,480. Saree number 29, priced at 9,480.
A parrot green with pink combination. Very pretty borders on either sides, floral borders on either sides of the saree. The whole body has a dual butta which has got a floral and manga butta in it. Beautifully woven pink color jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
This is saree number 29, priced at 9,480. Yeah, this is saree number 30, priced at 9,980.
So this is a purple with pink combination. Beautiful gold and silver jari woven patterns in the borders. Self gold jari woven pattern floral in the whole of the body. A beautiful pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Yes, saree number 30, priced at 9,980. Okay, so the last saree for the session, the deal of the day saree, the actual price is 9,250 and the deal price is 7,950. This is the pure soft silk saree, priced at 7,950.
So the upper portion of the saree has beautiful gold jari border. The body is left plain. The lower half of the saree has very pretty temple and beautifully designed floral pattern in the borders, as you can see. Very pretty jari pallu, fully woven jari pallu, and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, so this is the last saree, saree number 31, priced at 7,950.
So people who wanted to see the colors and what I am wearing, we have one red in the same design. It's a beautiful red, same as what I am wearing. So this is priced at 7,480. Next we have a mustard. Priced at 7,480. So that is it for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. So people at Chennai, please drop into our store. People who would like to buy these sarees which are shown in today's video, please click on the link that will be present in the comment section. The link is active now. You can go ahead with your purchase. People who would like to do stitching and embroidery, please go ahead with your order first and then the share, and then fill in the Google form with your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always WhatsApp us. So I would request people to share this video, share happiness, and till we see you in the next video, stay happy, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.